In this video, we will start the new topic, that is fifth topic in the Maharashtra Board 12th Science syllabus, electrochemistry. Now, electrochemistry, this word is made up of two types of energies: electrical energy and chemical energy. Electrical energy and chemical energy. Now, you know that there are different forms of energies, and according to law of conservation of energy, one form of energy can be converted into another form of energy, and the values of these energies are equivalent. Now, in this topic, we have to concentrate on electrical energy and chemical energy. That means we have to study how electrical energy can be converted into chemical energy and how chemical energy can be converted into electrical energy. That is, interconversion of electrical and chemical energy we have to study in this topic. For that, you must know some basic concept. In 11th standard, you have studied the topic redox reactions. What is redox reaction? It is a reaction in which oxidation reaction and reduction reaction takes place simultaneously. At the same time, oxidation reaction and reduction reaction takes place. What is the electronic concept of oxidation? We have studied there is the process or the reaction in which the substance loses one or more electrons, that is called as oxidation. That is loss of electrons. In short, it is called as de-electronation. That is called as oxidation. Oxidation means in that reaction the substance may be atom, it may be ion, it may be molecule, it loses one or more electrons, then that process is called as oxidation process. And what is reduction? Reduction is reverse of oxidation, the process or the reaction in which the substance gains one or more electrons. That is, it takes, the substance means the atom, ion or molecule, it takes one or more electrons. That reaction is called as reduction reaction, or in short it is called as electronation, addition of electrons. Now, oxidation reaction and reduction reaction, they cannot take place separately. When oxidation reaction takes place, there must be reduction of another substance. When reduction reaction takes place, there must be oxidation of another substance. That means any substance can be oxidized when another substance is reduced, and any substance can be reduced when another substance is oxidized. Means these reaction takes place at the same time, and that reaction in which oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously at the same time, that reaction is called as redox reaction. We have studied this in 11th topic in detail. Now we shall consider some examples and study these reactions in detail
by using different examples. See here, the first example, Zn atoms are there. Atom as a whole is neutral. Why it is neutral? Because it has same number of positively charged protons present in the nucleus and negatively charged electrons revolving around the nucleus. Now, when any atom or any substance take part in a chemical reaction, only electrons can involve. That is, there is loss or gain of electrons or sharing of pair of electrons. Now here, Zn atom is converted into Zn plus 2 ion. How Zn plus 2 ion is obtained? Here plus 2 charge is developed, means electrons are lost. And how many electrons are lost? Plus 2 charge is developed, means 2 electrons are lost. So this reaction is shown like this. Zn gives Zn plus 2. Zn is converted into Zn plus 2. How? By losing 2 electrons. So this reaction is oxidation reaction, or we can say Zn is oxidized. Or here you also studied about the oxidation number concept. Here the oxidation number of Zn is 0. Zn is in its free state, in its uncombined state, and here it is converted into Zn plus 2 and the oxidation number of Zn plus 2 ion is plus 2. Means the oxidation number is converted from 0 to plus 2, and so increase in oxidation number is oxidation. You have to remember these two concepts. Loss of electrons is oxidation, and how electron loss, the reaction is shown like this, and oxidation number concept you have to also remember. Second reactions here, Al atom is there, it is converted into Al plus 3 ion. How? Here 3 electrons are lost. So Al by losing 3 electrons is converted into Al plus 3. Al is oxidized to Al plus 3. Now see here, I have taken Fe plus 2 ion. Positively charged ion is there. Fe has 2 electrons less, means Fe atom is converted into Fe plus 2 ion by losing 2 electrons, and again Fe plus 2, it loses 1 electron. So what will happen? 3 electrons are less in Fe atom, so it will be converted into plus 3, Fe plus 3 ion. That is, the oxidation number is changed from plus 2 to plus 3. Like this, Sn plus 2, 2 electrons are less, and it is converted into Sn plus 4. How? 2 electrons are again lost. See here, positively charged ion by losing electron gets converted into more positively charged ions. You have to remember this by considering the number of electrons lost. Fe plus 2 has lost 1 electron, so plus 1 charge is again developed on Fe plus 2 and it is converted into Fe plus 3. See, 2 Cl minus means 2 Cl minus ions are there. How Cl minus ions are obtained? Cl atom has gained 1 electron and it is converted into Cl minus ions. Like this, we have 2 Cl minus ions. One Cl minus ion loses 1 electron, gets converted into Cl atom. Another Cl minus atom loses 1 electron, gets converted into Cl atom. And this reaction totally can be represented like this, because Cl atoms cannot remain separate. They are combined with each other to give Cl2 gas, and therefore 2 Cl minus gives Cl2 plus 2 electrons. This is also oxidation. So remember, in oxidation, the neutral atoms are converted into positively charged ions, and the positive charge developed on these ions depends upon how many electrons are lost by that atom. Positively charged ions are converted into more positively charged ions, and negatively charged ions are converted into neutral atoms or neutral molecules. Reduction is gaining of electrons. See here, first example, Cu plus 2 ion is there. Why Cu plus 2? Means 2 electrons are less in Cu atom. It has lost 2 electrons, and Cu plus 2 ion by gaining these 2 electrons gets converted into Cu atom. This reaction is of gaining of electrons, so this is called as reduction, or you can say Cu plus 2 ion is reduced to Cu. And what happens to the oxidation number? Oxidation number of these ions, that is Cu plus 2, is plus 2 charge on the ion, and it becomes 0 by gaining 2 electrons. Means plus 2 is converted into 0, that is, there is decrease in the oxidation number. So decrease in the oxidation number is reduction, or according to electronic concept, gaining of electrons is reduction. See here, again this reaction, Ag plus ion is there, 1 electron is less. This 1 electron is taken by this Ag plus ion, so it is converted into Ag atom. So Ag plus ion is reduced to Ag atom. 2H plus. 2H plus means 2H plus ions are there. 1 H plus ion take 1 electron, gets converted into H hydrogen atom. Another H plus ion gains electron, gets converted into another hydrogen atom. These 2 hydrogen atoms cannot remain separate. They combine with each other to give hydrogen gas. And so 2H plus 2 electrons gives H2. This is reduction reaction. Fe plus 3. I have explained this reaction in oxidation also. Fe plus 3. How it is converted into Fe plus 2? by gaining one electron, it is converted into Fe plus 2. So Fe plus 3 is oxidized to Fe plus 2, means it has lost only one electron. Now suppose it is said Fe plus 3 is reduced to Fe atom, means Fe plus 3 ion has taken 3 electrons. Remember, Br2 molecule is there, means 2 Br atoms are there. One Br atom accepts one electron, gets converted into Br minus ion. Another Br atom accepts electron, gets converted into Br minus ion, and you can obtain 2 Br minus ions. Like this, Br2 gains 2 electrons, gets converted into 2 Br minus. This reaction is called as reduction reaction. Like this, we can explain oxidation reaction and reduction reaction. Now you know that oxidation reaction and reduction reaction cannot take place separately. Cu plus 2 ions cannot take 2 electrons. From where these electrons come? These electrons come from the substance which is oxidized, and so redox reactions, these examples we shall study. See here, redox reaction is a reaction in which oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. At the same time, oxidation and reduction takes place. One substance gets oxidized, that means one substance loses electron and another substance gains these electrons. Now these two separate reactions we have studied. Zn atom by losing electron gets converted into Zn plus 2, and these 2 electrons are gained by Cu plus 2 ions and they are converted into Cu. So this reaction is called as redox reaction. Zn is oxidized to Zn plus 2 and Cu plus 2 is reduced to Cu. This reaction is called as redox reaction. Redox reaction can be splitted. It can be converted into two half reaction, oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction. Zn is converted into Zn plus 2 electrons. This is oxidation half reaction, and these 2 electrons, Cu plus 2 electrons gives Cu. This is a reduction half reaction. The same reaction I have explained you by taking Cu plus 2 ion in the form of CuSO4. You cannot take Cu plus 2 ions only. You have to take one solution containing Cu plus 2 ions. So Zn, when it is added in CuSO4, it displaces Cu from its salt solution and we can obtain ZnSO4. How? Zn is in the form of atoms, but during the reaction it gets converted into Zn plus 2 ion. Same reaction is there, only the difference is I have taken you the salts. Zn plus CuSO4 gives ZnSO4 plus Cu. Redox reaction can be represented in both ways, that is in the form of ions or in the form of solutions also. Like this here, see, Fe plus Al plus 3. Fe is converted into Fe plus 3. How? Fe has lost 3 electrons and these 3 electrons are gained by Al plus 3. So Al plus 3 is converted into Al. So this is a redox reaction where Fe is oxidized and Al plus 3 ions are reduced. Like this, you can consider Na is oxidized to Na plus 2. Cd plus 2 ions are reduced to Cd. Mg plus twice AgCl. AgCl means Ag plus ions are there, and here Ag plus ions are converted into Ag atoms, means they have accepted the electrons. So Mg is converted into MgCl2. By losing 2 electrons, it gets converted into Mg plus plus ions and it is oxidized, and Ag plus ions are converted into Ag atoms. Like this, redox reaction can be considered.